Hi vegans! In this video, we will explain step by step how to prepare the most famous burger in the world. For the vegan sauce, put the cashews, ground hot pepper, garlic and turmeric salt, and lemon juice in a blender. Blend until you get a perfect mixture. We use quality vegan meat for this recipe, so we recommend you do the same. You can also bake the bread a little to make the burger crispy. And now finally, serving can begin. First, we take the bread and arrange cucumbers, burger, tomato, onion, and at the end, we put the wonderful sauce.